Welcome back to week 2, biology students. A lot has changed since our last video. We now know that we won't be seeing you again in person this year. And we are so sorry for you guys that you're gonna miss the end of the year activities that you've been looking forward to. We feel sad about it too, because it's fun to watch you guys do those things. But we think it's more important than ever for us to find a way to keep connecting and working together. It was great to see so many of you in those discussions for week 1. Your suggestions were just amazing. We are so grateful for all of the things you threw in there. It was wonderful to see how much you want to stay in touch with each other. And we loved that so many of you mentioned that the best way for you to learn is to teach what you're doing. You want to learn the biology, but you also want to be able to teach it to each other. We have graded or are in process of grading those discussions. If you didn't get the full points, you should still contribute. It's still your assignment. It's not just over with and you don't do it. But if you go back in and contribute again, you may need to shoot us an email and let us know so that we will know to go back and give you some grades.
And so our takeaway on those discussions is that most of you learn best by watching visual demonstrations or videos, pictures, things like that. You said that you recognize the value of doing your own personal research, which was great, and that you realize that the way the knowledge really settles in is when you teach other people. So we realize that as teachers too. we learn a lot by preparing things for you guys. You want to share that knowledge with each other, which is great, and you like to do it through video conferencing or other apps, shared documents, slideshows. And some of you were talking about working in groups, maybe groups that aren't too far from your time zone so that you guys can arrange better times to get together. And you also recognize that science can be done anywhere. We're seeing that massively in the world right now. So that's really exciting to kind of connect to that idea. We don't all have to be inside the same lab to collaborate and have a great experience. So we're looking forward to lots of great experiences with you this entire quarter and hope that you'll continue these awesome discussions with each other and with us.
Okay, and on to the assignments for this week. So this week we'll have an overview of assignments and goals, and this video that you're watching right now will be on that document. We're going to put up those group collaboration skills to work. So everything you suggested, we're going to try to involve those skills to collaborate together. So first we want you to finish your project that we started in quarter 3, what it means to be human. And we want you and your partner to try to collaborate to do that. You might be in a different time zone, in a different country from your partner, so you're going to have to be creative on how to make that video or make that project complete. So we understand it might be very difficult for you to collaborate together at the same time, so you might have to do it separately and send it to each other, or think of some other solution. The instructions on how to do that and how to complete this assignment are on Schoology, and you're going to need to read them to make sure you're following the guidelines. Basically, we want a response from you about five specific things, 5 questions. So you need to provide that in some format together. This is a summative. This is worth 50 points. We're trying to wrap up that grade for the 3rd quarter, so be aware that this is a major portion of your grade. Real quick, maybe I can just go off script. Miss Lee, is this going to be a grade for 4th quarter?
Yeah.
Okay.
For the 2nd semester.
Okay, 2nd semester. Yeah. So 3rd and 4th quarters is 2nd semester. Next, we're going to jump into the ideas around natural selection and evolution. And we have 2 assignments relating to that. One is a video that you're going to watch, and then you're going to take notes on that video. There's a document on Schoology, and you're going to read through that and take the notes. And then the second assignment is a fun exercise on IXL, and that will take you step by step through how natural selection works. So you can do those in any order. All three of these assignments are due Friday. Friday the, what would it be? April 3rd. Okay, so have a great week. Let us know how you're doing, and we hope to see your smiling faces through the videos and other ways that you're contacting us.
See you later, biology students.
Bye-bye.